Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. This video is another episode where I draw an iconic movie scene in my own comic book style. I already drew Indiana Jones and Jurassic Park in previous videos. Now let's check out what movie I will be drawing this time. Okay, most of you will have recognized this clip from the movie Rocky III. The Rocky franchise was a big hit in the 80s and this third movie is a really fun one as it contains some of my biggest childhood heroes like Sylvester Stallone, Mr. T and even Hulk Hogan. And tell me guys, what movie should I pick next? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Rocky III is a 1982 American sports drama film written, directed and starring Sylvester Stallone. It is the sequel to Rocky II and is the third installment in the Rocky franchise. Sylvester Stallone returns to the character which made him famous in this wildly successful sequel. Rocky III starts with the Italian stallion, so famous that his likeliness is everywhere, including pinball machines. Fame and complacency soon caused Balboa to lose his title to young thug Clubber Lang, played by Mr. T, who inadvertently causes the death of Rocky's beloved trainer Mikey. After sinking into a depression, Balboa must regain the love and support of his family, as well as the elusive eye of the tiger, the hungry need to beat the opponent, which former foe Apollo Creed teaches him during his training. In the end, Balboa faces off against Lang for a second time, regaining his World Championship title. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Rocky 3 and tell me guys, what movie should I pick next? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me in this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!